Let's get right into it. Science is supposed to have all the answers, but sometimes it discovers things that make us question reality itself. Things like humans glowing in the dark, metals that heal themselves like Wolverine, and oceans. Today we are counting down the top 10 recent scientific discoveries that change absolutely everything we thought. Number 10, you are glowing right now. Right now you are a light bulb. Not metaphorically, you are literally emitting light. Scientists found this using ultra-sensitive cameras capable of detecting single photons. Your face glows the brightest, especially in the late afternoon. But don't try. Why? It's microscopic fireworks. Your cells produce unstable molecules called free radicals. Even your brain tissue glows. You are essentially a walking, talking, thinking bioluminescent creature. Number 9, your brain sees the future. Right now, your brain is living a few seconds in the future. It's a mini time machine. Think about driving. You slam on the brakes before you consciously realize you need to stop. Scientists scanning brains found they start responding to events up to 10 seconds before they actually happen. When you catch a ball, your brain calculates the path and moves your hand before you have even consciously seen the ball coming. What you think of as now is actually the past. Your consciousness is just watching a live stream with a delay. If your brain decides before you know it, it begs the question, who is really in charge? You or your... Number 8, a naked black hole creating stars. Usually black holes stay put, but we found one. A massive black hole was kicked out of its galaxy. It is cruising through space like a cosmic bulldozer, but instead of destroying, it is leaving a trail of newborn stars behind it, stretching 200,000 light years. That is twice the width of... Think of it like a cosmic speedboat. Its weight creates shock waves that squeeze gas clouds. The James Webb Telescope spotted this. Before this, we thought black holes were just monsters. Now we know they can... Number 7, metal can heal itself. Imagine if your car could fix its own scratches. Scientists at Sandia Labs were testing platinum. They pulled it until it cracked. But then something impossible happened. The crack started closing up. The metal fused back together at the atomic level. It's like giving Wolverine's healing power to a piece of metal. Metal is not supposed to do that. Right now, it only works in vacuums. But if we figure this out, indestructible engines, bridges that last forever. Your car engine could repair its own wear and tear while you sleep. We are entering the age of immortal machines. Number 6, the moon is shrinking. Our moon is literally shrinking. It's turning from a grape into a raisin. As its core cools down, the moon contracts. It has lost about 150 feet in circumference over the last few hundred million years. This shrinking causes the surface to wrinkle and crack, creating massive cliffs and triggering moon. Unlike Earth, the moon is solid, dry rock. So when a quake hits, the vibrations bounce around like a ping pong. Imagine building a moon base, and then the ground shakes violently for 3 hours straight. Number 5, plants scream when stressed. Vegans, cover your ears. Plants actually scream when you hurt them. We can't hear it because it is ultrasonic, like a dog whistle. But when a plant is thirsty or cut, it's called cavitation. It happens when air bubbles form and pop in their water tubes, like the slurping sound at the bottom of a drink. But nature hears it. Moths can hear the screams and won't lay eggs on a stressed plant. They know it's a bad home. This changes farming forever. Imagine a microphone that tells you exactly when your tomato is crying for water. Just remember, every time you mow the lawn, you are conducting a grass choir of terror. Number 4, our ancestors mated with ghost species. Scientists analyzed DNA from West Africa. It comes from a ghost species, an ancient type of human we have absolutely no fossil record of, no bones. It's like finding a piece of IKEA furniture in your house, but the instructions are written in an alien. The crazy part? This ghost DNA is helpful. It helps modern immune systems fight disease. Our ancestors' mystery hookups actually saved us. Number 3, brain cells learned to play Pong. Scientists took 800,000 human brain cells and put them in a dish. They connected the cells to a simulation of the game Pong. The cells had... But within 5 minutes, they figured it out. They started moving the paddle to hit the ball. They learned faster than an AI can. Then the scientists got mean. They gave the brain cells alcohol. And guess what? Their game... The cells started missing the ball, making sloppy moves, just like a drunk person playing video games. This proves that even cells in a dish have intelligence. In the future, your computer might be... They didn't know what Pong was, but they mastered it. It is like they developed their own tiny version of intelligence. Number 2, the sound of a black hole. NASA recorded something terrifying, a black hole singing. It sits in the Perseus cluster, and it's been humming the same note for billions of years, a B-flat. But not just any B-flat, it is 57 octaves below middle C. A piano would need to be miles long. Sound can't travel in a vacuum, but this black hole is surrounded by hot gas. It uses the gas like a giant speaker. NASA raised the pitch so we could hear it. It sounds like a ghostly moan from a cosmic... The beat of this song only drops once every 10 million years. It is the... It has been broadcasting this cosmic soundtrack for longer than Earth has existed. Number 1, an ocean under the Earth's crust. Forget the Atlantic. The biggest ocean is under... About 400 miles deep, there is a massive reservoir of water. It holds 3 times more water than all, but you can't swim in it. The water is trapped inside a blue crystal called ringwoodite. It acts like a sponge for water. Scientists found this by looking at diamonds spat out by volcanoes. These diamonds act like USB drives, carrying data from the deep. This changes where we think water came from. We thought comets brought it, but maybe Earth's... This water is crucial. It acts like WD-40 for tectonic plates. It's a good thing it stays down there. If all that water suddenly came up to the... Let's just hope that Earth doesn't decide to wring out its sponge anytime soon. All these discoveries have happened very recently. It makes you wonder what else we have missed. We are just scratching the surface. For every answer we find, we get 3 new questions. Imagine a glowing human shaking hands with a ghost ancestor. That is basically our family reunion. Or your brain playing Pong against a black hole. Physics is getting weirder by the day. If we can master healing metal, we could build cities that last forever.
Please, why must you scream every day?
If we can talk to plants, maybe we
Eggplants
can
are
stop
starting
killing
to
them.
worry.
Or at least apologize before we eat them. And we should probably keep an eye on the moon. It's getting smaller, and we kind of need it. From the deepest ocean to the farthest black hole, the universe is full of surprises. And your brain knew I was going to say that 10 seconds before I actually said it. Science is wild. Which of these discoveries broke your brain the most? Are you going to be nice to your lawnmower now? Let me know in the comments below. I read them all, unless my brain is buffering.
I'm a light bulb.
If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button for more mind-bending science stories every week. Don't forget the bell so your brain can predict my next video before it uploads. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.